Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Madeenasiaa, and yes, it's another nail video again. Baby, I done learned. So y'all finna see a whole bunch of nail videos and I do not care. Also, side note, if you hear my air conditioner in the back, it's hot, so leave me alone. You're gonna hear it. Whatever, mind your business. If you hear my baby in the back, he's fighting his sleep. It's whatever, mind your business. Okay, so now that I done already goddamn started laying acrylic down, yeah, so I had already put my nails on pop off method, this is Savvyland, and as you can see, it's a cute little acrylic to work with. It's not hard to work with at all. Low key, it's chalky, but once you lay it down, get that stuff off the brush and start working with it, perfectly fine. That's why I like it. That's why I got so many of them. That's why I got 100 and some colors, and yeah, in my arsenal. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna just lay this pumpkin color down. It is called pumpkin orange. Yeah, I'm gonna lay this pumpkin orange down. As you can see, it's really easy to work with. I feel like I'm doing my thing because, like, 3 months ago, 3 months ago, you wasn't getting this. You wasn't getting this. 3 months ago, it was terrible. It was terrible. Terrible. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna put that. I'm only gonna show 2 nails of each, putting the glitter down, orange, the goddamn clear, whatever. Um, so yeah, when I first started trying to do my nails, the hardest things for me was ombres and cuticles. Cuticles is still like, mm, cuticles is iffy with me now still, but more times than none, I'm good at it. I wouldn't say the best, but I'm good enough at it. Um, so yeah, like I learned a lot watching YouTube videos. YouTube University. I learned a lot watching YouTube videos, watching people do nails on live, stuff like that. So I think I really like found my calling. Not my calling, girl. Not my calling. Yeah, so I'm gonna brush that up so it's not a big like indent in my nail when I go to start laying that glitter down. Yeah. Let me stop because I'm just like babbling. Oh, okay. Well, this is double dip. And I believe this is a dip powder. This is a dip powder, but I use it as acrylic because when I bought the little mystery box, I forgot to get the little dip stuff. So yeah, I use it as an acrylic, and it's a really good I know it's a really good acrylic or dip base or whatever, dip powder, whatever. It's really, I like it. I really do like it, and it glow in the dark, y'all. I didn't know it glowed in the dark until I was doing another set after this one, and I put my hand on the light and I went to go scratch my leg under the desk, and I was like, oh my god, it glow in the dark. So yeah, this glow in the dark, I did not know it. But yeah, um yeah, so just go ahead and watch that, I guess. Then shit,